It's time to go on a Carnival Radiance out of Long Beach, California. Join us on Embarkation, our suite room tour and sail away party. That's the Queen Mary Ship Museum over there. And this is the terminal. This is our first time going on a cruise out of Long Beach. A very nice port. And we are here now printing out the boarding pass, because even if you have the boarding pass on your phone, they like the paper boarding pass, so they print it out for you before you enter. We got a suite for the Radiance, and we have priority access. Oh, look how nice it's here inside. Huge. Oh, look how cute this area here to take the picture with the ship. So nice. Just got a picture of this guy's here. Now let's go on board. Yes.
Welcome aboard Carnival Cruise Line.
Yes, thank you guys.
Thank you. Channel, yeah.
Okay. Let's go on board. And they have a sign here, Carnival Long Beach, for your first picture before going on board. And look who's with me, my mama. We're supposed to go to Carnival Panorama, but the ship broke down, so we switched to the Carnival Radiance. And let's enjoy, especially because my mom is here with me. She's not even paying attention. And welcome aboard. Well, we'll have to do the muscle drill first. This is the atrium. It's pretty small, but looks very nice. And there are some panoramic elevators and a bar with a stage for live music. And after the muscle drill, we're gonna do the room tour for you guys. Elevators. And we decided to do the muscle drill right away. So we're here on muscle drill C. Muscle drill done, it was pretty quick, and now we are going to the room to check our suite. One thing I noticed already on the Radiance, it seems like freshly repainted, right? Like, it's not like rusty or anything, it looks good. Good job. And the room is 7315 here on the Carnival Radiance. Let's check the Ocean View Suite on Carnival Radiance. Well, the colors, as you can see, it's like a little outdated, but this is the room, spacious here in the center, where it's kind of the shared living room. First thing here at the entrance, the thermostat, pretty cool. It's not those little old ones. And the couch, a vanity here. We got the water package. Some bottles of water. One thing I didn't like about this TV, it doesn't tilt, which is like, doesn't make any sense because the bed is over there. So if you're laying on the bed, you have to watch TV towards the side, because I tried to move and it doesn't move. Got some more water there. The refrigerator that I don't know how to open. Oh Jesus. Here. Oh, look at this. Another vanity here with some drawers, a mirror. Everything seems dark. Is that a light here? Is Is that all the light they got here? Yes. Oh, yeah. So it's just this lighting. Big closet. The safe is in a closet. Right next to the closet, the bathroom with a tub. Ooh, water jets in a tub. Nice. And then the Elements products they got here, shower gel and shampoo and conditioner. 2-in-1, I think. The towels. There's another one here with big drawers. And another closet. This one has the life vests. Telephone on this side with a lamp. More space here. Charging station is over here. And next to this vanity here in the closet, there's more charging station over there. And here's the bed. Let's check the balcony now. Long balcony with 2 chairs and a table. And another big one here. Very, very long balcony. Nice. Look at this. And right now we got the view of Long Beach, the Queen Mary, and the terminal on a beautiful sunny day. Everything set in a room, and now we're going to the Lido marketplace to eat something and wait for the sailaway party. Tacos, burritos, but we're going to the marketplace. There's a washy station right here, and we got the subs. I love the subs here. At least from the Pride, I absolutely love it, so I hope it's the same. Let's check the options of food they got right now. Here it is. Kusina the captain up there. Just finished having some lunch at the marketplace, but my mom doesn't like the coffee that they have there, just an regular American coffee. So we came to Blue Cafe, where you can get all your specialty coffees. Yum yum. Got my coffees in the mug with Mirella. Wave to the camera. See ya. Thank you. Some cake that I got at the marketplace, upside down pineapple and coconut and chocolate. Having my coffee here at the Java Blue Cafe. And this is the mug from the Carnival Radiance, the Sunshine class. They call like the Carnival mugs. There's a message in the bottom. Happier than a seagull with a French fry. Look what we found here. And this is the Lido, the main pool deck where the party is about to start. And we have the Blue Iguana Tequila bar over there and the Red Frog bar right here. The water slides up there. And this is the Lido, everyone. Carnival Radiance is packed. Dr. Seuss characters are here. Now let's dance with Cat in the Hat, Thing 1 and Thing 2.
Let me see your hands up!
Steal any gifts. You know what? Be careful because he likes to be very naughty. Everybody give a big food to the Grinch. We don't want you here, Grinch. We don't want you here. And this is a sail-away party. This is the shot to join your entertainment team here on the dance floor. DJ Turan, let's say bye-bye to the Grinch and start the cruise vacation. Let's go, school.
One thing we can't deny is that Carnival Cruise Line knows how to throw a party.
Everyone's vacation. What you got for us, DJ?
Robert, you gonna dance this one?
No matter where
You gonna dance this one?
9, take 10, take 11, take 12. This is your vacation.
Stay Away Party was super fun, and you want to know a fun fact? Well, Long Beach is right here, and we're headed to Catalina Island tomorrow, but the thing is, Catalina is right there. Super close. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment, share, and till next time.